Welcome back to LUXVISION LED. Today we're going to talk to you about our PROLUX Rugged. This is our impact-resistant LED wall. Predominantly, this was designed to be used in a K-12 gymnasium, but we're noticing that this is being expanded by our dealer network to also go into airports and shopping centers due to its impact resistance. So when we designed this product, it was designed to handle any air-inflated ball at any speed under the warranty. So what that means for you is when this is deployed into a gymnasium or potentially an airport or a shopping center, it really doesn't matter if it has incidental impact from either a ball, could be luggage, could be somebody in a stroller or a purse that's dragging along it, you're not going to be able to damage it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a module and I'm going to walk you through how this technology works. So you'll notice this is one of our module sizes. This is available in a P3.3 or a P4 pixel pitch. And what it is this is a surface mount diode. The way that the technology works is we actually have a protective mesh that goes on top of it that sits just proud of the diode, absorbing the impact. It's all front serviceable with a metal-to-metal locking connector that's just a simple quarter turn, allowing us to easily access it from the front, work on power supplies, receive cards, or anything else at ease. With this product, we also bake into it a service menu, so all you have to do is disconnect signal, and we note right directly on the wall itself where all of the product is installed behind, making it easy for day 2 service support. We offer one of the industry leading warranties at 7 years, expandable to 10. Please drop by the LUXVISION LED booth, come kick a soccer ball. Thank you so much.